Make money by listening to music? Hmm. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to talk about making. Who texted me? Oh, my sister. Making money by listening to music. But before I get into that, if you're serious about making a passive income online, having your own online business, be sure to check out Builderall and Genesity, both links in the description of this video. Now let's get into it. I've done several videos about this website called Slice the Pie. If you're not familiar with it, check my channel out. I got several videos on it. But basically, Slice the Pie is a website that will pay you for to write reviews on the songs that you hear. All right. So the question is it worth it? All right. Is Slice the Pie actually still worth doing? All right. Um, Here's the thing, in my opinion. All right. If you're bored and you're not really that into like having your own business, like I said a couple seconds ago, if you're not really into like long term money or money that can, buy some real stuff, then slice the pie is cool. You know what I mean? Like if you're in high school or something like that and you got extra time on your hands and you want to hear some new music or whatever, different music, and earn a couple extra bucks a month, yeah, like slice the pie is cool. But if you are like trying to do like, on your own online business or affiliate marketing and stuff like that, or build your own brand, slice the pie probably won't be worth it, because the time you're taking doing that, you could be doing, building your other stuff, making videos or content for your products or affiliate marketing or whatever you're doing. So, you know, it's not really, to me, it's not really worth it. But it really just depends on you, because you can be doing, you could have your own business and doing affiliate marketing, but you might just enjoy listening to music and, sharing, giving your 2 cents. So nothing wrong with that. Me personally, at this point, it's not really worth it for me to do it, just because instead of taking that time to do it, I could be doing YouTube videos like I'm doing now, or I could be posting on my blog or doing a fitness video. So slice the pie, it's worth it depending on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to build like, trying to make a full-time income online, nah, not really. If you're just looking for some extra fun cash, definitely check out Slice the Pie, guys. Like it is a real way to earn some extra cash. And like I've talked about in previous videos, you could look it up, but I give tips on how to make the most amount of money with Slice the Pie. I'll give you a couple real quick. When you join Slice the Pie, create your account, put down that you like all kinds of all I can't talk, damn it, all genres of music, right? Say that, because the more genres, the more opportunities you have to write reviews. Second, make sure your reviews are at least 5 to 7 sentences long, because the longer they are, the more you get paid, the more opportunity you have to make money. Okay. Third, use descriptive words. All right. Like be as descriptive as possible. That helps. Fourth, do not write the same thing over, because a lot of people try to game the system. They'll just put like a paragraph and then they'll just copy and try to paste it for like all of the songs. It's not gonna work, because Slice the Pie has their own little tracking system, and if your reviews are similar, they won't let them go through, and you'll just be wasting your time. I know you don't want to do that. So, like those are some just quick tips. But you can look at other videos if you really want to get into Slice the Pie. I got them on there. Just search my channel, you'll see them. But that's my take on it. Yes, you can make money by listening to music, and just, oh, that's another tip. Be honest. This is very important. Like this is what when I was doing Slice the Pie, I would keep it real. So if you do not like a song, because sometimes there's some whack stuff on there, say it. Like, say it. Just be like, I didn't like it. The artist couldn't sing. I couldn't understand what they were saying. The beat was terrible. The instruments didn't make sense. Be honest, and that will actually get you further. All right. So if you want to join Slice the Pie, check it out. I got a link in the description. If you're not with Slice the Pie, you can do it. Check it out for yourself. You may love it. You may hate it, but you can earn some extra money doing this. All right. Be sure to comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.